across the sea. Well, I don't like the loneliness, but it sure is good to be free. The side pipes glide along the side as the stacks roll black as coal, and trucking through the night like thunder we do roll. The drive wheels dig in this rock and roll rig as the side pipes sing its tune. Cross the river Dee at 3:15 as the lights shine up the moon. Send an Instagram off the needle hand, point straight down at your knee. The reefer, the can of the bulker man, and a skateboard South 83. Like a road train on the Hammer Lane, northbound, over and down. On the 68, running late, changing down through Castleside town. Hauling loads and going to truck shows, I tune up, gig and drive. Then follow the throttle, we be rocking back down to 75. And here's to all the truckers on highways near and far, hauling grain by any means to where we are. Right, Joe Skinner, well, this is the goose. I'm gonna take her home, I'm gonna break her loose. Truck and roll in the open road in the boat across the sea. Well, I don't like the loneliness, but it sure is good to be free. The side pipes glide along the side as the stacks roll black as coal, and trucking through the night like thunder we do roll. Trucker down to 77 Ted. From Glastonbury to JCB, make the 11 at a Holyhead. From Portrush, fuel in Lusk, around the M50. Overweight with freight, tipping Cork late, in Galway we reload. I'm in the Snowman, this is the Trans Am, cause a bandit on the 19. All the way from the USA to help light up this convoy. On Channel 19 we were clean and green, the curtains fly as we drive. With the window down and that V8 sound, sure good to be alive. And here's to all the truckers on highways near and far, hauling dreams by any means to where we are. Right, Joe Rigger, well I got me a gig, so I'm gonna keep rolling in this rock and roll rig. Truck and roll in the open road in the boat across the sea. Well, I don't like the loneliness, but it sure is good to be free. The side pipes glide along the side as the stacks roll black as coal, and trucking through the night like thunder we do roll. Truck and roll in the open road in the boat across the sea. Well, I don't like the loneliness, but it sure is good to be free. The side pipes glide along the side as we truck for another load, and trucking through the night like thunder we do roll.
Lifeline to a nation, and men like Pat and Robin make it move. Living like a gypsy, always on the go, doing what they best know how to do. Jamming gears has got to be a fever, cause men become addicted to the grind. It takes a special breed to be a truck driving man, and a steady hand to pull that load behind. Big wheels rolling, moving on. Big wheels rolling, gotta keep on going. Big wheels rolling, moving on. All night country music keeps on going, and Pat and Jimmy keep on moving on. A big hot cup of coffee is waiting up ahead, and the rhythm of the highway hums along. Jamming gears has got to be a fever, cause men become addicted to the grind. It takes a special breed to be a truck driving man, and a steady hand to hold that load behind. Big wheels rolling,